Hi everyone, my name is Priscilla and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to achieve maximum hydrated skin. If that seems like something that you're interested in seeing, definitely stay tuned. But before we do get started, I do want to give y'all just a brief intro on my channel. I'm mainly going to focus on skincare and some hair care as well, but in terms of skincare, my primary focus is going to be Japanese as well as Korean skincare. Now, a few years ago, I had the amazing and wonderful opportunity to actually go and study abroad in Seoul, South Korea. I attended Hanyang Daehakyo, also known as Hanyang University. And while I was there, I really felt like I had a true beauty experience. Shout out to y'all that have seen that drama. You know, where she's really exposed to the world of makeup for the first time? It was kind of like that for me, but with K-beauty. But don't get me wrong, I, of course, had heard about K-beauty. I heard about the 10-step Korean skincare routine. I did know of some Korean brands like Innisfree and Tony Moly and Nature Republic, The Face Shop. This video is not sponsored, by the way. But yeah, there's nothing like actually being in the country and breathing in the air and eating that food and really being able to see K-beauty live and in person. So that is why that's going to be my main focus here on this channel. If that seems like something that you're interested in seeing, definitely go ahead and subscribe. Also hit the bell for notifications so that you guys can see when I post my next video. Now, let's get started. For my cleanser, I'm going to be going in with COSRX's Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers because it just makes my skin feel so soft and smooth. One of the reasons why is because this product does contain BHA, which is a chemical exfoliant. This product, as you guys can see, foams up really well. It does a great job of cleansing my skin, but without stripping it. Now I'm just rinsing the cleanser off so that I can get ready for the next step. Time for some hydration. I'm going in with Skinfood's Carotene Calming Water Pad. This is one of the most hydrating toner pads I've ever used. It feels very hydrating and cooling on the skin. Carrot root extract contains vitamin C, B vitamins like niacin and B6, and it also contains vitamin A from the beta carotene. I'm going to go in with an additional toner. This is Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Toner. If you guys have seen Avatar: The Last Airbender, the animated series, you would know that this is definitely Sokka approved because this product contains cactus water. Cactus water is full of electrolytes and amino acids that help to hydrate the skin, and it also has hyaluronic acid. Now, do I even have to say anything about this product? It is all over the internet. This is COSRX's Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. I definitely feel like this is a good product to use when you're just getting started with skincare because it has such a short ingredients list. The main ingredient is snail mucin, of course, which can protect and heal the skin. It's great for easing irritation, and it can also stimulate collagen. For some additional nourishment, I'm going in with Round Lab's Dokdo Ampoule. Fun fact about this product, it contains deep sea water which was extracted 5,000 feet below sea level. According to Round Lab's website, this is the deepest seawater used specifically for beauty and skincare. This product also has hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid to penetrate deeper in the skin, and it also has ceramides to help maintain the moisture balance. Since I've put so many amazing skincare ingredients on my skin, I want to make sure that they stay in my skin for as long as possible. So that means I have to go in with a really good moisturizer. I'm going to use I'm From's Rice Cream. I really feel like this is an underrated gem. Everyone talks so much about the rice toner, but I particularly have such a fondness for this cream because it has a wonderful silky and creamy texture. There's shea butter, which is great as an emollient ingredient. There's also ceramides in here, and there's vitamins B and E. I have to go in with sunscreen, arguably the most important skincare product out there. This is Biore's UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence. This product is just so amazing because it feels so wonderful on the skin. It feels like someone is wonderfully, beautifully ice dancing across my skin. I don't know. It just acts like a primer. Whenever I'm putting makeup on, this product sits so well under makeup. It's easily spreadable, and best thing, there is no white cast whatsoever. This is one of my favorite sunscreens, and I will continue to purchase this. Finally, I'm going to go in with D'Alba's First Spray Serum. This has white truffles as the featured ingredient. The white truffles were actually extracted from Italy, which is really cool. And white truffle extract has vitamin C, D, and a few B vitamins as well. Great for anti-aging. And this is the finished look. My skin looks glowy, it's plump, and full of hydration. Regardless of your skin type, whether you're oily like me or if you have dry or combination skin, truly everyone can benefit from properly hydrating their skin. It's maintaining the moisture balance that is key. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe while you're at it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.